Hey, hi guys, welcome to this video. We are going to see JRF under sub, JRF under ISRO Project Associate Biotechnology offering from IIT Madras and IIT Jodhpur and qualification become BBA, BCA, BE BTech and ME MTech, and after selection they providing salary 31,000 to 35,000 plus including HRA. And coming to content of this video, application are invited from the citizen of India for filling of the following temporary position in the sponsored research project at this institute, and this position is purely temporary up to 9 months, and these are the post details, name of the post and duration. And coming to eligibility, BE BTech in chemical engineering, material engineering, polymer science and engineering, electrical engineering, and must and should they need to qualify in NET or GATE. And coming to experience, advanced course done in polymers, epoxies and relevant domains, and hands-on practice in labs, polymer synthesis and formulation. And age limit maximum 25 years. Application interested candidates apply through online before on 27th May 2021. For more details, contact go through website JRF under sub sponsor project at IIT Jodhpur. And coming to JRF under ISRO, application are invited from the citizen India for filling of the following temporary position and sponsor research project in this institute. The position is purely temporary up to 6 months. Eligibility MTech or MS mechanical engineering, thermal fluids, thermal engineering, aerospace engineering and automobile engineering, and they need to experience in CFD, computational fluid dynamics in simulation. Maximum age limit 35 years. And application, and those who are interested candidates should apply through online before on 3rd June 2021. Salary 31,000 plus including HRA. For more details, go through JRF under ISRO funded project at IIT Jodhpur. And coming to project associate biotechnology at IIT Madras, and coming to project associate in biotechnology at IIT Madras, apply on before June 10. And eligibility become BBA, BCA or relevant with at least 2 years experience or MCOM, MBA, MCA. It must have experience in using Tally, MS Excel and MS Word. Application interested candidate to register and apply online before on 10th June 2021. For more details, contact go through website project associate biotechnology at IIT Madras. Coming to JRF SRF project at IIT Gandhinagar, apply before on May 27. Eligibility in JRF master degree in civil engineering. The candidate should have GATE score or NET score. SRF senior research fellow qualification required for JRF position plus 2 years experience as JRF or equivalent position. An application fill this form before 27th May in 2001 through online registration. Salary SRF 35,000 plus 20% HRA or JRF 31,000 plus 24% HRA. For more details, go through website, contact JRF SRF Earth Science under MOS funded project at IIT Gandhinagar.